I've been shot.
Need paramedics?
I've been shot.
Okay, where at, sir? Where did this happen?
Greenleaf Ave.
I'm sorry?
Greenleaf Ave.
Okay, do you have an address there? I need the numerical, sir, to get somebody that can help you.
No.
What address are you at, sir? Hello? Who shot you? Hello? Sir, I need to know where you're at.
Once you hit it, let's let it breathe a little bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop and back off once it's open. Ready?
Check, make sure it's locked.
Yep. It's locked. Set. Back. Just leave it for now, just leave it for now. Let it breathe.
Alright. Back up. What's the name again? What's the whenever you guys are ready. Here. It's the police department. Get on TV if you're inside, make yourself known.
Let's go.
Someone's on my right.
You got the right? I'm gonna show the left. I'm just
He's
gonna
in
turn
the
it.
backyard.
Watch the way. So let's go into this kitchen right here.
He's in the backyard,
Let's
yeah.
get one over to the side and then do this real quick. He's not in the back. I'll block that table for me. I'm just gonna clear this real quick.
Where you at?
Hold it.
Alright, open the door, okay? It's the police department.
Yeah.
Okay, you good? It's locked.
Oh, he's got a gun.
Oh, fuck, gun, good gun!
Stay down, do not
Yeah,
move.
don't move, don't move.
Listen, we want to help you. Don't move, okay? Don't move, stay down.
Stay down.
Hey, let's pull back, Sarge.
Yeah, pull back, pull back. Hold on, pull back, pull back. Come quick. Go, 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 I got you covered. Everybody back out.
Let's get a shield up. He had a gun in his left hand pointed at me.
Yeah, back up.
Hey, buddy, what's your name?
Back it up, back it up. We're gonna back to the left. Negative. Get down for now. Back it up all the way.
All the way?
Back up, back it up, back it up.
We have another victim down there. We have two victims down there. We have the guy that I shot that pointed the gun at me. We have another male with a gunshot wound to the head.
The guy was waiting to ambush. Okay. Hey, shit, call on that.
inside the residence, and it was determined that Mr. Nelson was deceased. Anaheim.
Oh, he's got a gun. Oh, fuck, gun, gun, gun! Stay down, do not move.
Don't move, don't move.